Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Blogger and navigating to the exact post you want to share. Once on the post page, look at the browser address bar for the post URL. That's the simplest copy target. If you're in the dashboard, open Posts, hover or click the title, and use the Preview or View option to reveal the public link. Make sure the post is published. Draft links won't resolve for others. Now prepare to copy that visible URL. Once you see the URL, select it completely in the address bar and press Ctrl+C or right-click and choose Copy. If you're copying from the post list, click View or the Link button to open the public page, then copy from the address bar. For posts with custom permalinks, open Post Settings, confirm the exact slug, then copy the assembled URL to ensure accuracy. After copying, paste into a note to verify it opens correctly before sharing widely. Now paste the copied URL into your email, social post, or chat and test it in a new private window to ensure public access. If someone reports a 404, check that the post is published and that the custom permalink wasn't changed. Update or republish if necessary. If you want cleaner sharing or analytics, use the Blogger share icons or a URL shortener, but make sure the destination still resolves. One tip: clear browser cache or test in incognito to rule out local caching issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.